Lot of people ask a question very frequently that how to get success in life. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a single formula by using that you can get success in your life. And that formula will be clear as much as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so if you want to get success in your life, the only formula is you have to be a skillful person, because without skills success is not possible. And I know every person having some specific skills, and every human on this planet is a talented person, but the problem is actually we fail to find out that what type of skills I am having. So firstly you have to find out your skills, and then you can improve them to get success. If you're facing these kind of issues, you don't need to worry anymore, because you're watching Live QB. I'm arranging a show on this channel, and we will invite lot of people from every country who will talk to you and explain you that how you can find out your skills and how you can improve them. अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि इंसान अपने आप से एक जंग लड़ रहा होता है कि किस तरह से वो अपनी कौन सी स्किल्स की बेस पर अपने फ्यूचर को ब्राइट कर सकता है, और कौन से ऐसे स्किल्स हैं जिनको पॉलिश कर ले अगर वो, तो ज़िंदगी के अंदर सक्सेस हासिल कर सकता है। तो आपको परेशान होने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम मुख्तलिफ़ कंट्रीज से लोगों को इनवाइट कर रहे हैं। वी हैव टू डिस्कस that what type of interests I am having and what are my goals. So by discussing that, I think we can fix out our direction and we can start a new life. So for that I really need your support, because I can start live streaming only if I can get 1k subscribers. So I request all of you people to share my video and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select the all option, because you will gonna get each and every video. And I really need 1k subscriber as soon as possible that we can start our live session. I really need your help in this matter, because I'm thinking we're gonna get these subscribers in few days so that we can start live streaming. So you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, select the all option, and share this video as much as possible with all of your friends who want to improve their communication skills, their speaking skills, and want to become a successful person. So take care till next video. See you very soon. Stay home, stay safe.